Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer that we have on the ground. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x16 off-road trailer, and it is exclusive on our lot. This one is in a white blackout package. Does come with a ton of goodies. This one does have the black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom as well as up the corners right there. You also have a generator platform with this unit, heavy-duty coupler and side swivel jack. You also have an exterior strip light on every side of the trailer, so there's one there in the front, you've got one on both sides and the back. You also have a spot off your side door right here, so you guys will have some good lighting options if you want a ton of light or just a little bit of light. Side door does come with an overhead gutter, RV lock, and cam bar, so double lock protection on the side door. This one's equipped with a power package as well. I'll show you guys that more in a second, but you've got an exterior GFI outlet really conveniently located right next to that side door. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles with brakes on all four wheels, black American racing wheels, 32-inch mud terrain tires, and then you've got a black diamond plate fender as well. Independent suspension under the trailer with the torsion axles, and we can really get these things off-road and have some fun, take them further than what you can take your standard trailer. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. This one's also equipped with the roof rack, so you've got a nice ladder right there and then an all aluminum roof rack on top. I believe this one is a 7x7, so it gives you guys some exterior storage up there. Another spotlight off your rear ramp door as well as a strip light, so you've got tons of load light. This one's equipped with the rear deck option as well, which is what you guys can see, the stabilizer jacks right there. So you can bring this ramp door down all the way to load and then put those jacks out, have it parallel, and have some exterior living space off the ground. Diamond plate rock guard around your rear ramp door as well as a gutter. LED strip taillights, of course. Here's this side of the unit. And then let's go inside and we'll take a peek. Shows you guys your double locks right here. Backside does have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys with it. Insulated walls and ceiling with this unit as well. And then you've got aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This is a beautiful trailer in and out. Two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens, which is what you guys can see right there opposite from each other. We do have recessed E-track in the walls as well for some tie-down points. 6'6" interior height. Roof vent does come with a Max Air bubble cover like what's on a camper, so you guys can have that open and not worry about it leaking water in on your stuff or ripping off the roof vent when you're driving home. Two of these LED 4-foot lights. There's one here at the rear, and I'll show you guys there's another one here up front. And then you also have 3 interior pucks, so great interior lighting options as well. Here's all your switches to work your interior and exterior lights. Then you've got, it looks like 3 or 4 different outlets here. You've got 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So lots of different outlets. Nudo floor and ramp. Nudo floor is essentially a waterproof floor. It's extremely durable. We love the Nudo floor. Yeah, 4 interior outlets. There's your other one right there. And then we can see there's that other 4-foot LED light. And we also have an AC unit. It's a Mach 8 AC unit. It's our lower profile, more efficient unit. We love these because they don't stick up so far on top of the trailer. So AC unit with a heat strip. And then there's your 30 amp box right there. You take that cord, port it right through the floor, and you can go into shore power a generator. So if you guys do have razors and side-by-sides, they will fit in this unit if you guys have standard size units, you have 4-seater, 2-seater, whatever. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We designed the off-road trailers. They're built by Cargo Craft for us. And if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available that are very reasonable rates, so you can give us a call to inquire about that as well. 303-688-8485.